Morning, welcome back to the vlog, people. If it's their first time to the channel, my name is Terrell. Welcome. Let me turn this music off before I get copyrighted. Shout out to La Boss though. But yeah, so morning, we're in the shop today, getting some work done. Got the D5 under the knife today, changing the axles out. Waiting for some parts for the 135. Last time you seen this car was outside. We finally started wrenching on this car. Getting CTS turbos. Nice little upgrades for this car. This car is getting twin turbos replaced and head gasket, valve cover gasket, all the bolt-on parts that make everything go right for the N54s. I know a lot of people don't like N54s, but I still a fan of these cars. So we're gonna have a little more N54 content coming out soon. It's already disassembled. I'm just waiting to go back together. And yeah, waiting for some parts from FCP Euro. And then this car should be good to go. And then this morning I started out on the B5, actually. Because on the last video when I drove the car for the first time, I told you guys that I wanted to replace the axles and address the intercoolers just to cool the car down. And look at these big boys. Gotta have stopping power. So yeah, so basically replacing the axles. Come to find out, they sent me the wrong axles, so no worries. I'm just gonna pull the other side out and just gonna grab the other axle, because you can see on here all the grease and all that stuff has been washed. The boot has been destroyed, but if you're gonna do this job, just replace both sides, so you know you have the same amount of life on both of them instead of replacing one. That's where we're at on this side. So basically gonna just pop this other one out and then leave the car here, because I have to wait. I have to send those one back and get the correct ones. So that's where we're at with the B5. Why I haven't really driven this car. It's my baby. And again, we have Bosch bars going out to Florida. But actually, one's going out to California, one's going out to Tennessee. They're ready, guys. I just have to ship these off today. Maybe I'll take you guys with me to the UPS store to ship these two off. And yeah, that's where we're at with these two. One Tennessee, one California, and have those sent out. TT madness. I finally figured out what's wrong with this car. The switches wasn't working. So I wasn't getting no power to the relay box. So I'm gonna get a Bossman relay box to address my problem. And I wasn't, as you can see, I had this BS switch on here. So I tested with an ohms meter last night off the battery and stuff, and I wasn't getting no power, which I thought it was something that was wrong with my fuel system in general. But no, it was just a switch. So get that sorted out. Guys, look at this. I made this nice harness, well put together, and I had to pull it apart because I thought, well, I checked it with the ohms meter, and two of the inputs weren't getting any power, but the actual inputs went to the light switch, which was the white. So I had to backtrack myself, but now I hardwire all the power like that directly to the pump and grounded the pump to the chassis. I'm gonna clean it up, but it's just to give you guys an idea of what's going on here. Still taking long with this car. And then that one out there just gotta, what do you call it? Bleed it and change the thermostat. So the seat time car. All right, and let's check out next door, see what's going on real quick. Introduce it to the guys. Copyright. You know, say a Jamaican, we in a Jamaican shop, so. The office area. I don't show too much, but get your merch, guys. Get your merch. Copyright, Jaja. I'm the dog Paul. I mash up some work in the morning. 1.8 parts being rebuilt. Waiting on this stuff. Head stud just came in today. Some other parts got head over here. Nice little mild 1.8 build. Got Paul over here working on a 2.0T. Dog, way and daddy. Up look a bit more. A lot. Alright. Ah, you're the funny now. Now get the leverage. Can barely turn it on.
A little too funky, the short hand and then make it harder, the long hand too hard. Long hand don't have no room.
It don't matter about. Alright, so today we're in the lab. My dog forward. Man, yo, man now playing no game. The dog drop a turbo already, drop a subframe. Well, they might help you drop a subframe, do some of disassembly. But 135 badness, me never really do too much with the vlog to show you guys what happened. You guys just saw this car with the support bar on top of it, but it's getting turbos and some nice little fun little upgrades. I got two N54 goats in here to help us assist with the assembly and make sure everything go right. Dog got too like a camera still, but me have to give him ratings, you know? Yeah, he be putting in that work. That's where we're at on this car. And yesterday he also banged out the Audi. Let's go show you guys. He dropped the cylinder head for the Audi. And let's get that on camera real quick. Office setup real quick. We gotta clean up a place, you know, not watch too much boxes, but so far we have a nice understanding going. I mean, I get the podcast coming soon, so stay tuned for episode 1 on the podcast. 135 bumper is painted as well. Carbon lip that's going on. That's going in soon. That's gonna go on that car as well. And then for the Audi we got going on today, they have 1.8 being built. This Frank's motor that's going into the GTI. Just gotta put a little stuff back together and then fit that motor up. I wanna get that on camera and log it for you guys as well. And here's the cylinder head for the Audi. This one had bent valves. I don't know where the valves are at right now. But yeah, this car had bent valves, so now we're gonna do cylinder head gasket kit, timing kit, and replace all the bent valves in that motor, in the cylinder head, and then put it back on. And yeah, we should have this up and running soon as well. The GTI also left, but I didn't get to record any footage of the when we just started it. I'll put some in from my cell phone, and then yeah, I think that's it for today, for me at least. Got another bumper that's gonna go for assembly, but yeah, that's it for right now for the vlog, guys. I just wanted to finish up the video, give you guys an update on where we're at with the bills and what's going on. So I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Until next time.